Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shrishti and I post lifestyle and beauty content on YouTube every single week, so do not forget to subscribe. So today we are going to be doing a soft glam look. I don't have any makeup right now and just a lip gloss, and I am very excited today because I am going to an event and I need to get ready really fast. Sorry for the mess behind me. I am just a girl, guys. Please understand. So yeah, let's get into it because I don't really have time. So this is the angle that I'm going to be shooting with. I have my mirror here, so sometimes I will be looking here and doing my makeup because I really need my makeup to. I really need my mirror to do my makeup because I am not used to doing my makeup on camera. So yeah, let's get into it. I really don't have time and I can't stop yapping to the camera for some reason. So let's go. Let's not delay this. So the first thing that I'm going to be starting with is skincare. My skincare is basically toner for makeup because toner gives a really hydrating glow to my face whenever I do makeup. So toner ke liye I normally use rose water. This is Patanjali's. You can use any rose water that you get and it'll really bring up a hydrating effect on your makeup. So yeah, so this is what I am using right now. You can use any rose water, guys. It doesn't matter which rose water you are using. You can also use homemade rose water. People make that. I don't really have the patience to make rose water at home. I just buy anything that I get. I apply a lot of rose water because this really gives an hydrating glow to my face and I really love it. So yeah, I am done. Look at it. Just a little bit of layer and then we are jumping right into concealer. So concealer, I am using this Pro Concealer. This I got really long ago and I'm using it still. I don't use concealer very often, just for proper looks. I will apply it under my eyes and a little bit on my pimple here and stuff. Please excuse me if I make weird faces while doing my makeup, but I'm just a girl, guys. I use this excuse for every single thing right now. I'm going to be blending this with my fingers because I think it blends really well. Girl. Normally I don't even use concealer, foundation. I just use BB cream, blush, lipstick, and that's about it. Blush. See, it blends really well. I also think कि मेरा shade has changed over the years and this is a really old shade which I need to get a new one. I think makeup shopping is really boring, guys. I don't know, unpopular opinion maybe, but makeup shopping is really boring. You can't even see my concealer. I'm just going to bake this with powder, compact powder. This is also a random compact powder that I use. So you can clearly see that I have applied a lot of powder so that the concealer doesn't crease and it sticks really well to the skin. The next step is foundation, which I find really boring because you have to keep doing this and I mostly blend it with my fingers, so it's really tiring. It's an arm workout. So I'm just going to be taking a pump here, very small pump, because I think foundation doesn't really suit my skin for some reason. I have really like started using foundation abhi. I didn't use it पहले, so I think कि आदत नहीं है मुझे. Just applying little of foundation, and now that I have mostly blended all the foundation on my skin, I'm going to use a small pump of foundation with my foundation brush. I'm just going to go in where I have missed, because fingers say mostly you will miss something, and gardan pe also. Please do not skip this, because you don't want your gardan and your face to look very different, because foundation does give a like whitish what do you say that tone to your face, and gardan दाग होती है, तो obviously you need to fix that. Did I apply too much? I think so. Don't worry guys, I will fix that, because I'm just a girl. I'm very sorry if I am annoying you with I'm just a girl, but I'm just a girl. Okay, sorry for that lame joke guys. Also, do you know that I'm a lefty? I do everything with my left hand. Did you or did you not know that? I think you did not know that. So if you are watching this till here, go comment this bow emoji in the comments, so that I can know that you guys are watching. So for the palette, I'm using this Huda Beauty nude palette, which also I got really back, and it's broken आधा से ऊपर. I'm going to be using this shade, this one, and then this one. This is going to be for the outer layer, and this is going to be the inner layer. Eye makeup is done. Should I apply a little bit of glitter? I don't know if it will go with this look. I'm thinking this is fine, because we are going with a very soft look. So next is eyeliner. I'm using this Biotic eyeliner. I'm forgetting to show my products, but please excuse me because I'm in a hurry. So I'm using this Biotic eyeliner, which I got very recently. I have stopped applying eyeliner on my eyes because for some reason it doesn't come off. We need to concentrate for this, so I need to shut my mouth. I'm going to be doing it here.
A few moments later.
The whole eyeliner just came down, and I'm just not going to do anything right now. I'm just going to let it soak, let it like dry, and then I'll wipe it off. But it's looking so bad. I really don't want this to, ruin my whole look. I'm just going to grab a wipe and then I'll come back. Hi guys, I'm back. I wiped it off, but it's looking good. It's fine. My tears have not soaked and we need to do our under eye again. But other than that, I think it's fine. We are still safe, guys. I got so scared because that's why I have stopped using eyeliner, because my eyes are getting very sensitive lately. Oh, again.
A few moments later.
It's good. It's great. Look at that. I hate eyeliner, guys. I used to love eyeliners and I hate them now because I am out of practice. I went mascara. I have recently started using mascara. I didn't use it until 2 months ago. And I don't know how it looks on me. Does it even makes a difference? My brother is knocking on my door. Kya? Better. Look at my eye makeup. This video has gone to a chaotic mode, which I am not liking. But also, let's get to the blush part, or should we do lips first? This high sugar pop lipstick. I don't know why I'm buffering right now, but yeah, sugar pop lipstick, which I'm been using this shade. It's a nude kind of shade, and I'm going to be lining my lips with this. Lipstick. This is my favorite go-to lipstick for every single day, which I broke and it is inside. So this shade, I don't know what shade this is. This is the creamy Touch of Spice, 660 Touch of Spice, and I use this every single day. उनका storage अभी ही full होना था. I am really dreading this day. This particular get ready with me. I really don't know what is up with the universe, but yeah, my lipstick is done. Lipstick done hai, eye makeup done hai, and blush and highlighter is pending. I forgot my highlighter. I will apply that later. And let's do blush, and then let's do my hair, change my accessories, and let's get going, because I am really pissed at my surrounding and my phone. Because okay, for blush I'm going to be using this Secret, which I used for my eyeshadow. I'm going to be going like this. So yeah. Storage is really not working, and I could not show you the highlighter part and my lipstick part properly, but yeah, this is my look. I'll go change my accessories and come back, and I'll show you the final look. Till the end, comment these 3 emojis and I'll know that you are a true subscriber. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe, comment down below, and give a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. Bye bye.